Today. This is just another quick podcast or YouTube video on some new developments in the Aaiyyan Foundation. As I mentioned in the previous podcast, the Aaiyyan Foundation is going to make some more services available to lots of people around the world, English-speaking Aaiyanists. This has been rolled out to Tamil Aaiyanists and is quite popular. And so some of these services we were thinking may have some traction with some English-speaking Aaiyanists or not. So it's, I guess it's just an experiment to see if people will want these services or not. And anyway, so this is one of the services. It's this is what I'm seeing here is actually a beta version of the site. They haven't actually finished it yet, so the text you're seeing here may change. This particular site is about Yantras, and you can own your own very powerful Yantra to help you in your life. Basically, I believe that the Aaiyyanist group and the Aaiyyan Foundation are going to have a high level Aaiyyanist to create the Ironstone Yantra, which is quite powerful, and also bespoke Yantras. So they've created this site, and so click here to learn more. So click that. I think you should go to this one. So this part here explains what Yantras are, and if people who listen to the podcast or are Aaiyanists know that already, but it's just a simple explanation. An Aaiyyanist Yantra, or just a Yantra, I think it should be, is a symbolic representation or key to a local or tala, which is a positive or negative dimension. So if you have in your possession a Yantra created by a high-level Aaiyyanist, this can transform your life. Basically, the Yantra can set up resonant links between yourself and a loka or tala, if you're that way inclined, to bring that energy into your life. So, and as you know, the Ironstone Yantra, the Uyarttuyan Yantra, is very powerful. It's the Yantra used in ironstones, basically, to dispel negative karma, not in this life and in your previous lives as well. And it has a brief explanation about what negative karma can do to you: cause illness, bad luck, negative entities attraction. So you'll attract demonic entities and that sort of thing. And basically it will hold you back in life. But if you have like this Yantra, this can dispel that negative energy and do good things for you. And basically a lot of Aaiyanists who are patrons members may have the what's called the iron stones. But a lot of Aaiyanists, it's very rare to get a set of iron stones. But a lot of Aaiyanists have paintings of the Yantra in their home. So this also lends to very powerful positive energy for you and your family. And so basically what this site is, this service that the Aaiyyan Foundation are going to do is to allow you to have a canvas print of a Yantra, of this Yantra, or of a specific bespoke Yantra. So so if you click here to learn more about the benefits, it also mentioned that you can also have a high-level Aaiyyanist practitioner can inscribe a personal Yantra that resonates strongly with you and your family's Yantra. So basically this can be handed down to you and your family members and your descendants. It's basically a family Yantra. So a lot of Dravidian Aaiyanists have this as well in their homes. So this is quite useful. It's very popular for Tamil speakers and Dravidian Aaiyanists, but we'll have to see if this is also useful for people from other languages and other cultures. So English speakers or Spanish speakers or Chinese speakers or what have you, Mandarin speakers, should I say. So let's click here. I haven't looked at the site actually. I'm just I've only been given this sort of template site here. template, no, a beta site, I should say, that they're building. And yeah, and if it's successful, they'll roll it out. If not many people are interested in having these Yantras, that's fine. But it is popular for Tamil speakers and other people in India. But the issue is that, as I said in the previous podcast, if we want to do this, we probably have to hire someone to maintain this site and maintain the booking of it and all the sort of logistics, and also having a high level Aaiyyanist on all the time to be able to create Yantras, which is quite labor intensive. So if there was a huge amount of interest in this, obviously we'd have to rethink maybe, I'm not sure, maybe getting more than one person to do this full time, but we'll see. So it tells you about the benefits of owning Yantras, about how you can build financial security, help in births and protection of children and spouses, positive energy, wealth, material and spiritual happiness. If you have the Aaiyyan Yantra, or more powerful bespoke personal Yantra, then you and your family will be lifted to tremendous heights. So, I didn't write this, and this may not be the final text of this page, but it's basically saying you'll have very positive things happen to you if you have a Yantra of this power. And then it tells you about all these terms. I won't read this area. It tells you about the Dravidian science behind Yantras, and especially karma, and how it can shape your lives and your future lives, and how this bad karma causes negativity, and negativity can latch onto you, and it comes in the forms of either demons or assuras and fate, leading to physical manifestations in the form of disease and sickness, as well as financial insecurity. But with the Ironstones Yantra, that can sort of dispel that. Yeah, the Yantra is a representation of the positive loka that is close to ours, called Aaiyyan or Aaiyyan. This Yantra is used in the creation of ironstones. This ancient Yantra was discovered or revealed to us via Murugan as the first close loka that resonates strongly with our reality to dispel negativity on a karmic level. It is a sacred and secret loka, but a powerful one due to its power of dispelling past negative karma, accumulated karma. How can I say this? This Yantra is secret. It wasn't revealed until just recently in the form of ironstones, but we found that the actual production of ironstones takes so long that the demand outstripped the supply. So to use those sort of language, those terms, so it would be easier to have a very high level Aaiyyanist create this Yantra and stick it on a site so people can buy it, and then we'll use those funds to promote Aaiyyanism worldwide, buying advertisements or just producing posters and that sort of thing, or just yeah, okay, I should stop waffling and just click on the button, which takes you to this thing. So as I mentioned, we need funds for to do this work, and also to promote Aaiyyanism. And we were thinking of 15. Also, we don't want people to waste. There's a lot of time wasters who or like spam bots or things like that, and we don't want people to waste our time, the volunteers' time, because it takes a lot of manpower and things to email Yantras to people, and also send emails backwards and forwards, and even just reading emails. So we thought that to have a high, we don't want to make it too expensive as well. So $15 for, and also these prices may change. We haven't formulated the right. The Tamil speakers have it in rupees and things, so it's cheaper. But we want this one for the wider community from around the world, so priced in dollars. I guess that's the universal currency. So you can buy the Ironstone Yantra for $15, or you could have a powerful bespoke Yantra, a family Yantra, for $40. The reason this one's more expensive is because it takes several days of a high-level Aaiyyanist to produce the Yantra, the bespoke Yantra for your family, using your aura. So it takes quite a lot of effort. And so we didn't want to make that one cheap, because we make it inundated with people, and a high-level Aaiyyanist time is very precious, and there aren't that many. They're also very busy, so there's not that many. They don't have that much time to volunteer for other activities, because they have so many other practice work they're doing. So we're lucky to have a couple of high-level Aaiyanists we can go to do this. Obviously, if there's a huge amount then of demand, then we can maybe talk to more people about helping the wider cause. But we want to price it at this point for the moment. And so if you enter your email address and pay now, we'll get back to you with. I think that's the idea, that a high-level Aaiyyanist will contact you or ask about details of you and your family, and then create the bespoke Yantra for you. And the Ironstone Yantra, if you click on that, it will take you to the site. Not this one, but a different one. This is just like an example. This is the Aaiyyan Foundation site. There's going to be another one set up called Iron Yantras, and you'll be able to buy the Unuyani Ironstone Yantra on a canvas or a poster. I'm not quite sure what the deal is yet. And you can choose different colors, I think. So yeah, that's basically what's happening. So yes, that's it really. This is a work in progress. We just want to see if there are many English speakers or other speakers of Spanish or Mandarin speakers or whoever who are interested in this service. Tamil and Dravidian Aaiyanists are, but whether other people from around the world, due to cultural reasons, they may not want Yantras, they may want other services, but we don't know that yet until we try this out. So if you want to have a personal Yantra, or you want to have the Ironstone Yantra, like most Aaiyanists would have them on their wall to bring positive energy to their family, then yeah, just sign up and yeah, you can just get it. This price is not going to be the price, but the Aaiyyan Foundation will send out a newsletter email saying, once it's all done, of how you can do it. And if you don't want this, that's fine. At least we know, and we can concentrate on our Tamil speakers and offer other services to other people. So, but yeah, just do let us know. I guess you'll know. We'll know if people take it out and take stuff out. I would say do it, because these Yantras are really powerful, and the high level Aaiyyanist who's creating them is also very high level. So it's going to be a very good Yantra, a very good interpretation of the Yantra, of the Unuyani locus space. And so yeah, I'd say do it, but yeah, I shouldn't. I'm not a salesman or anything like that. If you don't want to have, if it doesn't resonate with you, then obviously don't. Yeah, so I'll sign off now, and I shall speak to you again next time. So I shall sign off now by pressing the button.